It's me, Hyper Savage, and today we're going to be coloring in May. I've decided I'm going to be trying out some softer chalk pastels on this paper. They're in pencil form though. These are the hard meths and these are the Stabilos. I just want to see if it'll work on this textured paper. I also have this blending Stump or Tortillon. Disclaimer, I might not be talking as much. I don't really talk that much during these calendar DIYs anyways. But, you know, people got the new lawnmower and they've been riding it around all day. So I might be a little bit more quiet this time. Alright, let's get started. Before I go ham on coloring that red everywhere, I want to make sure that these two colors blend together nice. I think it's alright, but it could be better. Let's try adding some yellow into the center. Even darker red. I don't think that's bad. I do think it's a little bit too yellow now though. So maybe we try this other color here instead of yellow in the center. It is a different color compared to the other one. It just doesn't look like it for some reason. And even deeper red. Maybe just a touch of yellow. In the middle there. I think that's probably the method I'm going to be using. Man, these don't look ripe at all. Maybe we should add some more red. Alright, I think that will look a little bit better. This one kind of sticks out to me because I think I just did it in a different order or something. I don't know. Like, not as vibrant for some reason. So what I'm seeing is a lot of white spots because this is like really textured mixed media paper. I think it's really just watercolor. Yeah, I think chalk pastels have textured paper too, but I'm not sure because I've never used it before. But yeah, it's like, it's just textured. I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. But we must keep going. So this is actually my first time using the Hardmouth's soft pastels, and they spread a lot better than the Stabilo ones. I might have to invest in a full set of these. Alright, here it is. I was actually going to outline it, but I think I kind of just like it like this. It looks really rough and textured. I will be spraying a fixative on it when it's a little bit cooler out. It is too hot to spray paint where I am right now. But yeah, I do like it. Definitely enjoyed the process. Chalk pastels are one of my favorites. It's just I just have a sensory problem with mess, especially chalky stuff. So I don't really do it that often. But they are one of my favorite mediums to work with. And I definitely enjoyed these hardmouth ones. I think I might have to like get them all now. If you guys want to see another DIY calendar page, go ahead and click the video here, and if you just want to see the last video in case you missed it, go ahead and click the link here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube things of comment, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!